Northern Ireland's plastic bottle producer, Prime Pack Limited, has managed a 30% improvement in plastic bottle quality by saving 60% of energy used with a blow moulding machine. This was achieved by replacing a 23-year-old hydraulic system with a new all-electric motor and drive package.
My name is Clifford Craig. I work for Prime Pack Limited. Over a period of time, we couldn't get the proper output from the extruder. If I was running a bottle at 10 seconds, delivering 50 grams of material, we saw over the years that we had to run that bottle at 12 seconds because the extruder output wasn't coming out quick enough. Also, when the tail length of the bottle varied so much, the profile of the bottle changed. Therefore, more energy was needed then to cut that bottle up again.
An energy appraisal by ABB authorised value provider, Advantage Control, revealed a potential energy saving of up to 30% by replacing the hydraulic motor with a synchronous reluctance motor and drive package. However, once the SYN-RM package was installed, the actual energy saving peaked at 60%. Because there is less waste, the 18.5 kilowatt granulator used to recycle the waste is used less. Some 5% of the energy saved comes from reduced load on the granulator, used to chip waste plastic, before reheating and feeding it back into the blow moulder. The highly accurate speed holding is a result of the encoderless feedback offered by the direct torque control technology of the ABB industrial drive. Whereas previously, 63% of extrusions successfully turned into bottles, today this has increased to 96%.
I'm David Watt from Advantage Control. We can actually see from the graph where the wastage was coming from. When we go back and look at our logged results, we can see the hydraulic motor was erratic in the power use, and that transferred into the production.
Such are the energy savings that Prime Pack has avoided a £250,000 upgrade of its 600 kVA electrical supply. The company couldn't install a new machine because there was not enough available capacity. But with the 60% saving, Prime Pack was able to install another new machine. So therefore, that itself has pushed up the production. The purchase of the 55 kilowatt IE4 SYN-RM package is expected to pay back in under 12 months. Other benefits of the installation include an improvement in the quality of the environment.
In terms of the actual improvement of quality around the machine, it's quieter, it's running with less heat. It's an improvement to the whole environment as well as an improvement to their overall.
Over the last 4 or 5 years, we have seen great inward investment in new machinery. So the company recognises by going down the route of energy saving, it's always also good for the environment as well. It's about saving energy, saving cost,